Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the control panel is not working on your system, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is to run a SFC scan. So we'll go to command prompt, click on run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Now I won't press enter here because the scan takes quite some time and I would like to keep this video short for your convenience. The next command that we'll run after the SFC scan finishes is the DISM scan. So we will enter the command DISM slash online space slash CLEANUP hyphen IMAGE space slash RESTOREHEALTH and we'll press enter. Now this scan will also take some time. So once you run these two scans, you should check if control panel is running again. It should, but if it doesn't, then you have only one option, that is to reinstall Windows. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, look for recovery, click on reset PC, and then we will click on remove everything. But before you click this option, make sure that you back up all your personal data on an external hard drive. Then click on cloud download and then click on next. And while you're doing a cloud download, make sure that your internet connection, that you're connected to the network and your connection is stable, because this will download all the files from the online Microsoft Cloud server. And then you click on reset and your system should be with a new copy of the Windows operating system, and you should be able to operate the control panel. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.